Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you this headset, G Pro X2 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming headset, detachable boom mic, 15mm Graphene Drivers, DTXX phone headset 2.0, 7.1 surround. This gadget, you can connect it via Bluetooth, USB, 3.5mm aux for PC, PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch. This gadget is pro gaming headset based on award-winning Pro X gaming headset. The new Pro X2 was collaboratively designed with and for pro gamers to help them win. Clear audio, long battery life and range, equipped with pro-grade LOGITECH LIGHTSPEED wireless technology, up to 50 hours of battery life, up to 30mm of 2.4 GHz wireless range. Comfortable. These noise isolating headphones have rotating durable hinge and rotating soft memory foam ear pads. Connectivity, LIGHTSPEED wireless, Bluetooth, 3.5mm aux cord connectivity option, USB-C cable, USB-B/A dongle with 3.5mm ports, 3.5mm audio cable included. Clear communication, 6mm detachable cardioid microphone boom with Blue Voice technology, allow you to communicate with clarity. We're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. Aux cable and USB cable to C. This is the main gadget. And see what it looks like. You can bring it out. Very soft foam, and it can rotate easily. You switch it on and off from this button. You can see the light. And also you have wireless connect. This is what we have here. Very smooth. Logitech. So this is the unboxing of this gadget. Very comfy. Select the noise. So this is what we have here. Designed for gamers in mind. Highly recommended product. Thank you.